Happy holidays. It's a holiday week in the United States, headlined by Thanksgiving and Black Friday. This time of year typically produces some chaotic trading conditions. No matter, there's always an opportunity to be had. Now let's take a look at how we can trade the coming 5 days profitably. The key to successful holiday trading is to know when to trade. Now there isn't much on our economic calendar this week, so we're going to be aggressive Monday through Wednesday. Here's how. On Monday, the central bankers speak. On the heels of last week's dovish UK CPI print, BOE head Andrew Bailey is scheduled to make public comments during the U.S. session. Expect Bailey to address the improvement of British inflation. A dovish driver of the sterling? Perhaps. Now, with the RBA minutes and RBA Chair Bullock due to speak during the Monday U.S. overnight session, the Aussie may be in play. We'll focus on the pound-Aussie pair to open the week. Here we have a monthly chart for the Great Britain pound-Australian dollar. As you can see, November has been an incredibly tight month, but take a look at our key level to the downside. We've got 2023's high and 2023's low. If we take a Fibonacci of this year's range, 38% is 189.20. So in my view, that's the line in the sand. If in fact we do get a pullback to that zone, it's a bid really until told otherwise. And if we do break, then we'll be looking to go much, much lower. So that is a line in the sand, 189.20 to the downside. Rotational market, still a slightly bullish bias, but a tough one to trade, and so we see some disequilibrium. I do like 189.25, 189.50 as a potential bid, though. Slightly bullish, waiting for the market to get out of whack so we can trade. Tuesday is an unconventional day on the markets. In observance of Thanksgiving, the FOMC minutes are going to be released Tuesday instead of its normal Wednesday session. Now, the world of finance is eager to hear any word from the FOMC on policy. Is there a divide brewing in that boardroom? Does the staff still believe that a recession is unavoidable in 2023? We'll find out Tuesday. Okay, here's a look at the dollar CAD. Now, one of the best things about trading in November and December is that long-term levels are coming into play. The patterns of the entire year are coming into play. And right here on this dollar CAD, we've got a beautiful triple top that's really set up back here in March. And then you've got October and now November. And that triple top's from about 138.98 to 138.62. So potentially that's great topside resistance and gives us a selling opportunity. Now, on the flip side of that coin, you also have a nice spike low and a spike high and a nice pullback 38%. And you'll notice in November, we have traded in this vicinity. So we're looking to sell the top, buy the bottom. Now, if we do finally break out above that triple top, we'll be looking to buy in on a retracement level, potentially on short time frames. So a lot going on here on this dollar CAD. Fantastic market to trade it. Be sure to stay tuned. We'll have short-term ideas on how to get in on this action. But for now, you're selling the triple top and you're looking to bid that 38% as that market stays in a real tight consolidation pattern for November. All right, it's quiz time. Which of the following forex currencies is a commodity dollar? Is it A, the Canadian dollar, B, the Swiss franc, C, the Japanese yen, or D, the euro? Be sure to leave us your answers below. If you're correct, you could win free access to the How to Trade trading room. Good luck, and on with the preview. Wednesday will be a unique session. Remember, as the Forex day progresses, liquidity will become increasingly reduced. This is a function of U.S. traders taking an early leave for Thanksgiving. Now, if you trade Wednesday, it'll pay to be aggressive from the opening bell. The markets will actively price U.S. durable goods during the pre-Wall Street open. To get in on the action, we'll be looking to trade American large caps via the US 30 CFD. Okay, here you can see the monthly chart for the US 30 CFD. Now right here we're closing in on 2023's high, but take a good look at that double top right in that neighborhood, right around that yearly high. You can see big time bullish month here in November. So potentially some resistance there, maybe a scalping opportunity right in front of the yearly highs. But right now you sort of have to have a bullish read. We've gone to pretty much a dovish stance. CPI's coming down, dovish Fed stance, which means no more rate hikes for this year. Potentially that's an extremely bullish market driver. So I would be looking to get in on potentially a pullback buy or scalp on that level. So what we're looking at here is we're going to need to see where exactly Monday, Tuesday's trades pan out, and then just assign our Fibonacci's right from that swing low and look to get in on a retracement level wherever it may be. So as it stands right now, somewhere right around 34,000 would be the bid. We're going to have to wait and see how Monday, Tuesday pan out, but I believe that something like that is certainly possible. So beauty of late year trading trading is you have an opportunity to sell or at least trade long-term levels, and we've got 2023's high. We've got an all-time high up here, which potentially could come into play in December. So a lot going on. We're bullish. We're looking for pullback buys on short time frames and also potential short scalps there from 2023's high, that monthly double top. We must have a solid game plan when we trade an unconventional economic calendar. For this week, it's simple. We're going to be active early in the week and grow passive as we roll toward the weekend. Now, Thanksgiving and Black Friday will greatly reduce the number of U.S. traders in action. The time to trade is from Monday's opening bell through the first half of Wednesday's U.S. session. Now listen, it doesn't sound like much, but those 68 hours can give us more than enough opportunities to stack some green pips. Now be sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss a weekly preview. If you're in the market for a broker, then open a free demo account with switchmarkets.com. Feeling lost? Check out a trial at how to trade and get going in the right direction. All right, everyone, trade well, and we'll catch you next week.